Hey folks, we're in the shop today and I'm going to give you a quick overview on how we do rocker panels. So let's go ahead and look here on the Avalanche we've got sitting in here. As of right now, I have already went and cut the quarter out. I have gone ahead and cut this and already got this all prepped. If you look, it's just basically a template that I cut out of our patch panel, which is right here. Now I'm getting ready to cut my patch panel so it will fit, and I'll show you how I do that. So let's go ahead and get that over here, and then it's ready to put on. All right, so I don't necessarily need all of this right here, so I'm actually going to cut this, and I'll show you how I do that real quick, and see what you think. So it seems like it fits fairly well. I did take my time with it when I cut it out so I could get it as close as I possibly could so I'd have a good joint to weld on. So honestly, the only thing I have left now is to basically tack the pieces in and do our finish work on it and make it the same color. So that's pretty much how we do the rocker panels on this. But hey, we're going to show you how we finish it out. So stay tuned and catch part 2. All right, Avalanche Rust Fix, part 2. So let's go ahead and get the rest of this quarter cut out. I'll do that. Fire on it. Avalanche Rust Repair, part 3. We are going to go ahead and spray the prime on it, and then we're going to go ahead and let that cure, probably overnight, get up and finish with the top coat. So let's get after it.